In this video, I'm excited to show you how to create a brand new page using DXPR Builder's innovative AI tooling. Today, we'll be crafting a partner program page for DXPR.com. To kick things off, you have two main approaches. If you prefer having more control over the process, you can build your page section by section. To start, you could create a simple hero section. The AI will then generate a hero section that looks like it will work great for this page. However, today I'm going to generate the entire page in one go to gain some inspiration for the layout and content. I'll provide the AI with more context. A partner program page intended for collaboration with Drupal agencies to implement DXPR products and services. I'm wondering whether to add more details right now. Let's see where the AI's suggestions take us. We may want to refine the sections later by adding more specific details about our program. The AI is utilizing web search to gather comprehensive information about DXPR. We're in the writing phase. It's offering technical information which isn't particularly relevant for a partner program page. Let's delete the technical section. What this page needs is a social proof section with some testimonials. I'll let the AI determine its placement. Great! It's appearing just before the call to action, which is the perfect spot. I'm really happy with the result I got from just 2 minutes of work. This is how you can utilize DXPR Builder's AI tools. It's fast and it's fun too.